Rochelle or Jean, can you share how much it costs to take the NCLEX exam?
So for the expenses on the NCLEX application, usually it ranges from $800 to $1,000. But in iPass, we are not going to charge it as like one time, a big time payment. So it will be done as per step that needs to be accomplished. But this is the approximately, this will be the investment that you are going to spend for this NCLEX application.
And investment is a good word because it really is investing in yourself and investing in your future. So that is that, Rochelle, if you work through iPass.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So that's for your services and your expertise, and everybody watching, you can hear how much knowledge and expertise both Jean and Rochelle have on this process and how different states have got different requirements, and iPass can help you to navigate that. If you decide to do the NCLEX on your own, because that is an option, right? So nurses can decide to do like a DUI, so they can do an NCLEX application on their own. How much would the cost be for just to apply to a nursing board and for the Pearson VUE fee?
So the difference if you're going to DIY and if you're going with iPass is just our service fee is only like $200 or $240 for the whole process. So like if it's like 850, so less 250. That's the expenses that you will get, that you will have if you're going to DIY.
Okay, so there you have it. You can do this on your own. I can tell you that it's very confusing, but it is possible. There are nurses who do it on your own, or you can go through a very highly reputable company like iPass who've helped. How many nurses have you helped through the NCLEX application process?
We have a lot. Like beyond 10,000 already.
Okay, so lots of experience helping nurses, and the option is yours if you want to go through a company like iPass or if you wanted to do it yourself.